Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to be working on Clef Node software. So to begin, we just want to make sure we have solver checked off in options. We go to add-ins and then Excel add-ins and just press go. Just make sure the solver add-in is checked off and then we can begin. Okay, so first thing we want to do is we want to go to current year. We want to open the scenario manager. Scenario manager can be found in data, what if analysis, and then scenario manager. Here we want to create a new scenario manager scenario. So the scenario name is going to be unit sales decreased 10%, and the changing cell should be F12 to H12 with the dollar signs. Just press OK. Then we're just going to want to enter this information that they give us. Not too hard. Okay, just press OK after that. And we want to show the results of existing scenario name unit sales increased 10%. Just click here and press show. So everything's going to populate. Now we want to create a scenario summary report. So we just click on summary and it says scenario summary. So we make sure that it says B8 beats to B10 and F13 to H13, just as it says here. We just go ahead and press OK. So here it is telling us to delete column D. So we just go here and right click it, just press delete. Also wants us to delete the contents in cells B16 to B18. So that is right here. Alright, now we want to go to the next worksheet, profitability. Here we want to create a one input data table by following these actions. So this cell G7 should be referencing B13. Okay, so we just press equal signs B13 and press enter. And now we want to select the range F7 to G12 and go to what if analysis scenario and go to data table. And here the column input cell should be B12. Alright, and then we just press OK. Everything should auto-populate. Now we want to highlight G8 to G12. Here we could press Control 1 to open the format cells. And we can go here and press currency and make the decimal points 2. Press OK. We can also right click and press format cells. It'll bring us to the same option. Okay. So now we want to use the goal seek to determine the number of premium Clef units that would be needed to be sold in order to make a gross profit of 250. Right, so we go press what if analysis, goal seek, and we want to set cell C14 to value 250, and we want to change cell C12, and we just press OK. OK again, and now we have another scenario where we should use goal seek. So we go to what if analysis, goal seek, and here we want to change D14 to 500 by changing D12. We just press OK and it should fix it up again. Alright, now we want to go to subcontractor worksheet, which is right here. And we want to create a solver model. So what we want to do here is we want to first click on cell E13 and then press solver. Just close out of it. Make sure you press E13, press solver, and here we should type E13 and it will bring us to manufacturing total cost after we press enter and enter again. It's just referencing cell E13. Next we want to make sure it's minimum, and we want to use range B12 to D12 as the changing variable cells. Just just gonna type in B12 to D12. And now we want to add constraints by using our model here. So we're just gonna go ahead and press add, and here it's referencing some things we should add. So here should be B12 to D12. Just add in all the constraints. We should also add in this one. Okay, now I have added everything. And we just want to make sure that it lines up with what we have here. It doesn't matter the order, just as long as once we check it off here, it looks just like this. Alright, so we're just confirming our information. Everything seems to look good. Alright, so now we want to solve our model by clicking load save button. Go ahead and click that. And it wants us to load or save it somewhere. So we want to select cell D17 as it tells us right here. And we want to click the save button. Okay, and now we want to click on solve in the solve parameters dialog box. So go ahead and press solve. Then press OK. And now it's just telling us to add a scenario summary. Go to what if analysis, scenario manager, summary, scenario summary. Now we want to change the name here of the worksheet to subcontractor scenario. And we want to change the value shown in D3 to read optimal values. Alright, go ahead and click here. Okay. I want to adjust column D to best fit the contents it contains. Just gonna double click this. And want to delete the contents as B11 to B13. So go ahead and delete that and we should be done. Almost. So now we want to return to subcontractor worksheet, which is right here. And create a new scenario named optimal values using cells B12 as a changing cells. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is going to be called optimal values. We use cells B12 to D12. Alright, I'm just going to press OK and we should be done almost. It keeps coming up more, so let's see, we're just going to want to press OK. And it's not telling us to show anything, so I think we just close out of here and we should be okay. Alright, thank you so much for watching.